Hello everyone, thanks for watching TripN With Red. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest TripN With Red.
Oh, I thought I'm not on camera. She was on camera.
Well,
hey, enjoy Disney Skyliner.
We're gonna do it. Thank you.
You're a Midwest girl too.
I am. Oh, okay. All right.
Joe is so excited about going on this Skyliner. Gary and I were able to do it on our last trip, but Joe hadn't had a chance to do it, and it's something that he's been wanting to do since he found out that they were actually building this. So we had to make sure that he got his ride on here. Gary is actually home babysitting what we call the baby, but anyhow, our Shih Tzu is sick, so he is babysitting her. So anyhow, it's Joe's turn anyway, and we're gonna have a great time. Hopefully you enjoy. So we just got schooled that the Skyliner is transportation and not an attraction, so they may or may not accommodate my request to be able to respect people's privacy. So he seemed a little bit on the snippy side, which was kind of odd. But anyhow, we're at Epcot, and here we go. Getting ready to take off.
Whee! Oh, that feels weird.
Yeah. We requested an unwrapped car.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final
That
stop
down there
at
is
Disney
going to
Caribbean
be
Beach
the
Resort.
Remy restaurant at
We hope
Paris.
you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and the World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Hopefully you can see all the beauty around us by requesting the unwrapped. I hope that you're able to see a
Soon we'll be
lot
flying
more.
past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This charming lakeside resort
What do you think,
offers
Joe?
magical
It looks
lounges,
amazingly
enchanting
smooth.
restaurants, and live entertainment on the
The
boardwalk
only place I
every
feel anything
evening.
is these little piers. That's got sets of pulleys on them. And you feel a little bit of bump, a little bit of rumble, but the rest of it is like amazing.
It is pretty smooth. I'm still a sissy. This is, I did the entire line with Gary on the last trip. This is Joe's first ride. So, I'm a little bit scared of it still. And I also know that the Epcot line is the highest in the air. When we get over close to Riviera, that's the highest point. So I think my sissy factor is a little bit guardish right now. I'm at least not gripping onto the seat right at the moment. I did forget to show you that since we're here at the Food and Wine Festival,
We are now
wanted to show
approaching
you
the
my
Skyliner turn station.
hangry
While
shirt
this
that I have
special
on
station
because I thought that was
just for
very
turning,
appropriate for
other
the Food and Wine
Skyliner
Festival here
stations were
at
designed to
Epcot.
complement their unique
So we're getting ready to go
environment.
into the
From
turn
the
station.
glamour of
I
Disney
definitely
Hollywood
want you to
Studios
see this.
to
This
the
is
laid-back
crazy and
islands of Disney's
creepy.
Caribbean Beach
So check
Resort.
this out.
Round and round we go. And where we
Oh
stop,
my gosh.
only Mickey knows.
And now comes the part where it gets a little bit higher and a little crazier. Maybe if I pay more attention to my camera than what I can actually see below, I might not be such a wimp. That breeze coming through is nice.
Yeah, about 83 degrees.
So nice.
There's no air conditioning in there, and you don't need it.
Wow, that's a lot of wind. Wow, that's a lot of wind. Hopefully this thing doesn't start swaying on us. I think that's what really freaked me out on the last trip. It was doing a lot of swaying back and forth, not just the bumping, but the swaying. Oh, it was just awful for me. I couldn't wait to get off of this thing at that point. But anyhow, I decided to tough it out so that Joe could actually get his ride.
Well, I appreciate it because this is the first time I got to ride on their transportation system.
Absolutely.
And quite frankly, compared to standing on a bus, this is marvelous.
It's amazing. The time factor is amazing. Uh-oh, is this stopping while we're at the highest point? Oh my God.
And they call time out on the field.
So we are stopped while we are clear up in the air, swinging.
La, 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 la.
Yeah, I'm not digging this at all. We are swinging back and forth. Oh, good Lord. God, please protect us.
And hopefully it's not a 3-hour delay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not excited about this. So Joe, tell me what you really think about this though so far, honestly.
Honestly, I think it's been a great ride so far. Why it stopped? I don't know. We'll find out eventually, maybe, or not.
It had a temporary stop when we were approaching it.
Yeah.
And at that time I thought,
Yeah, supposedly sometimes they will do a temporary stop due to wind, and apparently that's what this one was because now we're moving again.
Oh.
And they'll also do a temporary stop
Gosh.
for lighten up.
Here, I'll grip the seat. I don't know what that does because if I fall to the earth,
At least
holding on to this little piece of wood probably is not going to make me feel better.
No, you'll have a handprint there.
Oh, it is so windy. I can't believe how windy it is. We are way up in the air right now. How did he talk me into this? I told him actually on the way, I said, now, I'm not going to do the Epcot line again because that's the one that made me so scared. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, Joe. This is crazy. We are swinging so bad. I can't even stand it. Here, I'm going to turn this thing around. I am ready to be at the Riviera Resort and get the hell off of this.
In the world, the European Riviera has fascinated and inspired many great artists over the centuries, including Walt Disney himself.
Joe? This is almost as exciting as that really bad turbulence last night on the airplane getting here. This is the Riviera station. I don't know if they'll actually let us get off here because the Riviera was not open the other day when we were here. But I can't remember what they said the open date was.
Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Please remain on board.
And now that I've got a car that doesn't have the wrap on it, check out this because you'll be able to see it way better than the other ones.
When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for
Check this
flying
out.
with us.
This is the craziest thing. Now watch the people behind us coming in.
Hi folks, have a good day. Where are you headed to?
Oh my goodness. Caribbean Beach.
You're not there yet.
Oh, get back on?
Yep, you're gonna get back on?
Where are
Okay.
you headed to?
Thank you. Nice visiting with you, though.
Caribbean Beach is the next station.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you.
All right, so I opened my mouth. I just wanted the hell off of here. They said Caribbean Beach is the next stop, but I do know that that particular line is really not that long. It's the Epcot line that freaked me out so bad, and definitely did today with all that swinging.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
But you did want to visit the gift shop over there. It's pretty good.
I do have to do that. Yes, I need to do that. I don't know. Whew. I think I'm gonna have to bleep out a couple words on this video. Fear will do that to you.
I was in the non-leaving zone.
He's a non-bleeper. Are we the next stop?
That would be the main hub, next stop.
Okay, thank you.
For your safety, please remain seated.
That'll be the next stop, main hub.
Thank you.
I think they're waiting until the Riviera is actually open before they start doing, letting people get off at this particular stop. They don't want people traipsing around and it's not quite ready yet. But here is Caribbean Beach. We're getting ready to fly right past it. The section that we're going to be flying past right now is Aruba. So if you're booking a room for Caribbean Beach and they tell you you're out in the boondocks of Aruba,
Welcome aboard
they've
the
probably
Disney
done you a
Skyliner
favor if you
at
want to run the
Disney's Riviera
Skyliner.
Resort, a Disney vacation club. If you are just joining
And
us,
even
we
with
are on
my
our
fear
way to
factor,
Disney's Caribbean
it's
Beach Resort,
such a
with connecting
fast
flights
form
to
of
Disney's
transportation.
Hollywood Studios, Disney's Pop Century Resort,
And look how beautiful
and
it is
Disney's
down
Art
there.
of Animation Resort. Say bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Once I get past my fear factor, this is probably going to be one of my preferred forms of transportation just because of the time savings. And let's face it, when you're getting on a bus and it's elbow to elbow and takes forever before
We
it's
are
there,
now sailing over Disney's
and this
Caribbean
literally
Beach
takes
Resort,
just a
where
few minutes to
every
get
day
from
feels
point
like
A to
it's just
point
a
B,
new
depending
celebration.
on which place you're going. This is an amazing form of transportation. I am just a big chicken, and I'll own that. I'm definitely a big chicken.
That previous year, we just went over, had their little mini weather station. They had the
In just a few
wind
moments, we
speed
will be landing at
indicator
Disney's Caribbean
and
Beach
wind
Resort.
direction indicator for the sensors so that their weather crew could keep an eye on safety issues.
Nice. Yeah, Disney is all about safety. They do their best to make sure that people are as safe as possible. If there's anybody in the world I'm going to trust, it's going to be Disney.
Welcome to
Here, we
the
get ready to
islands
go
of
to the
Disney's
Caribbean Beach.
Resort.
It's the
All
main
passengers
hub.
must
Check out
disembark
this,
or
I call it
transfer
a
at the
landing.
station.
But
Thank you.
as we're
We
coming
hope
in, you have to see
enjoyed
this.
The most Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us.
That is so cool. That's really cool. The other lines don't bother me so much. There's that one that's really, really high in the air.
Like an extra $8.
So now this is at the Caribbean Beach Hub. It is the main one. So this building is absolutely enormous, but breathtakingly beautiful. Absolutely incredible. But just look at this view. This is so pretty. Where the station is, you're actually a little bit beyond the actual resort, so you just kind of cross the small street there and go back. I'll give you a kind of a view here of this part of the Skyliner.
Our resort. If we take the Skyliner. How cool is that?
Yep. Art of Animation. Let's see. That's Art of Animation and Pop Century line. The line right there goes to Hollywood Studios. And then the line that we just got off of, it goes to Riviera and Epcot. And I'm sure, I think it will, yeah, I think it will. I think it's gonna really be a huge time saver for people. It's just gonna be a nice form of transportation, and once everybody becomes used to it, I think people are starting to take it a little bit more than they were. Hopefully you enjoyed your ride. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest TripN With Red, theme parks, and beyond videos. Bye-bye.